Welcome back, my friends. Welcome back to beautiful Toronto. It's weird weather. Cold at nights and getting nicer during the daytime. It's going to be 18 degrees today. And that's beautiful. And that's not what we're going to talk about. On this channel, we talk about everything and anything that makes us not awesome, but the best, awesomest human beings ever. Go, 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 go. That's what we're going to talk about. Letting go. How do you let someone or anything in your life go? People say, let go, let go, let go. I sound like a turkey. And that's okay. Because in this channel, we are here to make fun of us and everybody in this world. Because why? When you're light and when you're happy in your mind and be childlike, happiness, abundance, prosperity flows in your life. But how do you let go? And that's the topic. What is the most powerful force in the universe? Let's say, for example, you want to let go of a relationship. You're just coming out of a relationship. It's so tough. It's so hard. Living alone. And you must have had fights. And you might have had angry talks. Now, all of a sudden, everything just went sour. How do you let go of that person? How? And then I'm going to talk to you about the person, and you can apply this technique to anything in your life. One thing I must remember, everything is energy. And that is all there is to it. Match the frequency of the reality you want. And you cannot but help get that reality. It can be no other way. This is not philosophy. This is physics. Einstein. Okay. So then, what is the most powerful force in the universe? Love. God is love. You are love. I am love. When you got with this specific person, you loved that person. You were always thinking about that person. And now all of a sudden crappiness happened in your life. Whatever happened? Guess what? You don't like each other and you go apart. But it's so hard to let go. When you let go through process, that's the secret. Letting go is a process. You are a spiritual being. You are connected to that person and everybody and anything in this world, including the wall, including this house. You might think this is stupidity talk. Everything is energy. Remember that. The person that you are not with today, for example, you want to let that person go. How? Pray for them. Love. Send good prayers to them. Wish them good. Feel good thoughts about them. Send them abundant, prosperous energies. And let go. Through process. What is process? Then you act that way. Write down on a piece of paper all the happiness and abundance and prosperity you're sending in their life, to their soul, from your beautiful soul to their beautiful soul. And feel it. Feel it. It's a way of living. Do not be attached to anything in this world, because attachment leads to pain. But enjoy everything and everyone in this world and wish them good. Pray for them. And that's how you let go through process. When you're attached to anything, you're going to have challenges in your life. And when you let go, happiness, abundance, prosperity, good health, wealth flows in your life. It's an oxymoron. This is how it works. Two things appear not in alignment. But guess what? That detachment brings abundance in your life. Try it. It's a way of living. See, we are spiritual beings living in a physical body. That soul of yours is yearning to let this spirit out. Take care of your soul. It's the most powerful thing in your body. This body is just a casement for that soul. You can heal and pray. You can have anything and everyone in this world if you understand how to let go through your soul and give love to everything and everyone. And let go and feel what is it that you want. So when you feel letting go, feel that pain and let it go, abundance comes to you. But you pray for them through your soul. Feel it. Send that energy out there. See what happens in your life. It's a process. Then you act that way. When you send that energy out there, now you act that way. It's a process. I'm not saying this is easy. It's hard. But what is easy and what's hard? What is it? All it is, it's a mindset, a process. Fall in love with the process, not the outcome. When you fall in love with the outcome, it is going to be hell for you. Fall in love with the process. Here you are, pain. Your end result is letting go. And what is it? Wishing and praying for them and wishing them good. This here is the process. When you fall in love with the process, live from the end and feel and act that way. And live your life that way. That process, that pain brings abundance in your life. And now you're becoming godlike. That is how it works. That is how you let go of anything and everyone in this world. Do not be attached to anything. Attachment leads to pain. When you let go of the attachment, here's the other thing. Now I wasn't going to talk about this, but I'm going to say it a little bit. when you die, when you let go and not attach to anything on this earth right now, and when you die, you will soar like an eagle. You will fly with the angels. See, when you're attached to things on this earth right now, and when you die, it's hard for your soul to depart from here. Try it. Live free in your heart. Live free in your soul. Enjoy everything and everyone and share. And see what happens in your life. Letting go is a process. And when you learn to let go through process, abundance, prosperity, good health, happiness, wealth is yours. And this is how you let go. Through love. See what I'm saying, my friends? Jelly bean. If you think I gave you value, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel so we can make this world the best world ever. Live consciously, with purpose, in this moment now. In this moment now. And with freaking passion. Because this is where creation happens. Past is learning. Future is where you live. But you act that way now.